Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about audio tracks. So for the audio track, definitely audio is very important for some animations, and it will add some realism to our scene, so we can add some audio tracks very easily in our timeline. So I already have some audios here, so for this specific event, so I will just go to in the beginning like this, and now we can just right click here, we can create an audio track. We can directly add audio to this track as well, and it will work with definitely the same. Also we can create the audio source as well in the hierarchy, and that will bring new possibilities for us, so for increasing the pitch and some other factors of the audios as well, like reverb and etc. But for now we will just create a simple audio track, and now you can see that audio track is added, but we don't have any audio inside this. So we'll just add the audio, but I don't know how we can make this thing small. Okay, anyhow, let's select the audio, and in the beginning we will add the crawling audio because our character will crawl. So if we select the audio, you can see that inspector we can check it out, but the project tab we can't check it out. So okay, let's go to inspector and check it out. Okay, and this is not crawling. Let's select some crawling sound. Okay, this one I think, crow. Okay, yeah, this one we can add for the crawling, I think. Okay, so this one is good, so let's add this one here, actually here, and now we'll just add it here, and if we play, okay, so now you can see here we want to just cut out the clip. Okay, so for cutting out the clip we can just move back. So here for example we want to start another sound, so we will just select this sound and we'll press S to split it. So now we will just select this and we can just delete this thing. Okay, so now we will just go to another sound and we will test another sound. I think not this one. Okay, this one is fine, although it's not matching, but anyhow we will just add it for biting. Okay, so now here if we play, okay, here you can see that at this point, at some point where we want to cut it out, we can select the sound, we'll press S and we will split the sound and we can delete the sound. Okay, so after that we have some other sounds as well. So this one we already used, and this one, yeah, this one is fine for standing and screaming. So we'll select this and let's add it here, and after that you can see okay, and now at this spot we will add some another sound, which is this one I think, which is, yeah, this one is fine for screaming. So let's add it here. Yeah, this is good. So now Yeah, that's good. And then after that we have a walking animation. So for the walking and running, we will add some simple background sound, so which will be, I think, this one maybe, not this one, little bit. This one we can add, so let's add it here and copy, and we'll just paste it again. And at some spot we can change the sound as well if you want to do so. Okay, no problem, we can just change this sound here, add it here as well, and then again copy and paste and paste, and now you can see that we have everything in place. Okay, so now sound is also added, and you can see that the soundtrack is very easy. Whenever we select the sound in this area, we can just go to inspector and we can manipulate different bases of the sound. Like you can see volume, we can just make it lower or greater, or we can loop it. Also we have some blend curves as well, we can manually play with the curves as well if you want to do so. We have also speed multipliers and ease in duration, ease out duration, etc., which we can use for the main basic audio purpose. But if you want some advanced settings, you can create an audio source and then you can add that audio source to this place, and then you can manipulate a lot of things with audio source. That's it. Let's play the video and let's see how it will look like. You can see screaming. Okay, so although it's funny, but you can understand how the things will work. Also, one more thing about animation tracks, that sometimes you will see that the transition of animations is not smooth. So for making animations smooth, what we have to do is to just select this clip, and we can just make this clip like this. Okay, so it will create a little transition with another clip. Okay, so it will smooth out our overall animation. So it's very important, you can do so, and the result will be quite better than before. Okay, so let's see. Now you will see that you will feel a little bit smoothness in this animation. Okay, you can see now the blending is very nice. Screaming, and after that this screaming. Okay, and then running. So you can see that you can blend these animations in a better way. Also you can select any animation, you can click here, and you can also play with the curves as well if you want to do so. That's it for this video. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.